Hola a todos. Today we're going to look at los vocales en español, which are the Spanish vowels. We're going to talk about four things. We're going to look at the English versus Spanish vowels, the actual Spanish vowel sounds, and the diphthongs, what they are, and some examples, as well as lastly, the change of your mouth when you say the vowels in Spanish. So in Spanish and in English, there are 5 vowels, but the good thing about Spanish is that the vowels do not change pronunciation. In English, there are 14 different vowel sounds. In English, often the context changes the pronunciation, but not in Spanish. So in English, here's an example. I live in the house versus I saw the band at a live show. So you hear live and then live, but they're spelled the exact same. This does not happen in Spanish. So the vowel sounds in español, A, E, I, O, U. So the A is always like the A in father, the A in father. The E is always sounds like the E, letter E, and elephant, elephant. And I always sounds like B, the E in B. This letter can be confusing because it sounds like the E in English, but it's E. And then O sounds like the O in O, or October, and U sounds like the U, letter U in flute, or the Spanish word uno, first letter in there. Here are some examples. This is kind of funny the way to look at it. In Spanish, they don't have the HA for laughter. Instead, when they text it and they write out, it's with the J. So it's ha ha ha, he he he, ho ho ho, like Santa. And it doesn't actually exist with the J-U. So it's Hugo, or Junio, or Julio. Jugo is the word for juice in Spanish. Now we're going to look at diphthongs. Diphthongs are a combination of 2 vowels into 1 syllable. The 2 vowels are next to each other, usually one strong, A, E, I, and one weak, which is the one strong, which is the A, E, or O, and one weak, which is I or U. Or sometimes it's 2 weak vowels, which is the U, I together. Here are some examples. So the word paella, it's a traditional Spanish rice dish. I'll say it slower, paella. The next word is a poet, poeta. The next word is leg in Spanish, pierna, pierna. The next word is puerta, it's a door. You can also think of Puerto Rico, puerta, Puerto Rico, puerta, puerta. Peatón is pedestrian. Again, peatón, peatón. Cuerno is the word for horn in Spanish. Cuerno, again, the 2 vowels are the U and E. Cuerna. And the last word is, or cuerno, the last word is curious, of course. Curioso, curioso. So the last thing I want to point out is the change in your mouth when you say the vowels. So when you start with the vowels, the A is actually the largest. Your mouth is very large when you say A, versus the U is so tiny. All right, so A, look at my mouth. A, E, I, O, U. Now you say it and pay attention to your shape of your mouth. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, one more time. A, E, I, O, U. That's all for today. All right, adios.